Okay, you're not going to believe what Audi's cooking up. The buzz at the 2025 IAA Mobility show in Munich? It's all about the Concept C. Everyone thought Audi was setting the stage for a new TT or maybe an R8, but Audi's got other plans. This new electric two-seater is carving its own path, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why it's got the whole industry buzzing. Just announced, the Concept C isn't your next TT or R8. Nope, this beauty is slotting right in between. We're talking about a car that's not just another electric vehicle, it's a statement. And wait until you hear what they're planning for 2026. It's a game changer. Here's the thing, Audi's creating a new legend. The Concept C is poised to hit production next year, and we bet it'll feature the iconic E-tron name. It's designed to be a harbinger of Audi's new styling direction for post-2027. Imagine a world where this sleek design isn't just for electric cars, but for combustion engines too. The interior? A throwback to simpler times with machined metal and aluminum trims, bringing back those old familiar clicks. It's pure Audi, reinvented. Now, get this. The electric two-seater space is wide open. Audi's new model will be rubbing shoulders with the electric 718 Porsche Cayman. Both are set to share Volkswagen Group's electric platform. But price-wise, this new Audi is looking at a sweet spot. Think somewhere between $90,000 and $100,000. That's smack in the middle of where the TT and R8 used to be. And here's the part that's got everyone talking. This isn't just about a new car. It's about Audi reclaiming its design-forward reputation. The Concept C is more than a vehicle, it's Audi's promise to the future. It hints at a broader shift towards electrification, possibly setting the stage for a new wave of performance-oriented electric coupes. So what does this mean for the automotive world? It's simple. Audi's not just playing catch-up, they're leading a charge. With trends leaning heavily towards electric and autonomous innovations, this could mark the beginning of a new era for luxury sports cars. Now, here's a thought to ponder. If you could choose, would you stick with the classic internal combustion engines or leap into the future with electrics? Drop a comment telling me which detail impressed you most about Audi's new direction. And hit subscribe because next week, I'm breaking down how these changes could redefine the entire luxury sports car market.